In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies in Google Chrome. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow this instruction step by step. So just go ahead, open up your Google Chrome browser, click on the three dots. After that, just scroll down, access the settings. And after that, if you go to the left side, click on Privacy and Security. And from here, access third-party cookies. Now, when you come here, if you find the cookies are not allowed or blocked, you can go ahead, click on Allow, or you can also block them from incognito mode. So just make sure the cookies are allowed, as you can see here. And you can also add a specific website to allow it to have cookies from here. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.